Today is Sunday and I already verified my quad. Today is 23rd of April and today is going to be the Prop Games event. I'm verifying the gates and the flags, okay? And I'm going to show you a bit the circuit, okay? It's a very nice place. I think the place for the pilots up there with all the circuit here, it's amazing, you know. You can see all the circuit from your seat.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. And now you're so